Hello dear friends, welcome back to IF Tech channel, and today I'm come back again with another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how we can remove any Google account. Actually Google account is so important for us because so important for every Android user, because when you want to download any software from Play Store, so that time we need to open the first of all we need to create a Google account in Play Store. So after creating the Google account, then then we can download software. So but sometimes we create a lot of Google account in on Android phones, so but in later we need to remove the Google account. So actually we don't know that, so that is really problematic. In this video I'm gonna show you how we can remove any Google account on Android phone. So guys, you don't need to download any kind of software for removing Google account. So first of all guys, you will have to open the setting, your Android setting. Then guys, just scroll down. Then guys, there you can see Google sorry, account and settings. So just click here. Then after that you will get this kind of interface, so just you have to click here Google. There you can see Google option, just click on it. Then guys, after that, in my home screen, as you can see guys, a lot of icon in here. So for removing, just which icon you want to remove. So for actually I want to remove this icon, so for that just you have to click here. Then after that just scroll down, then you will get this kind of interface. So there you can see remove option, just click on it. Then guys, after clicking, then you will get another option, which is remove option, just click on it. So guys, as you can see, my Google account is already deleted. So by this way you can delete all Google account from your Android phone. So this is really easiest process. So guys, if you got helpful this video, please subscribe and share with your friend, and if you have any kind of problem, then please tell me. I try to my best to help you. Thanks for watching this video.